a simple step-by-step guide to losing weight and getting healthy. Step 1. Know your why. Before you start, ask yourself, why do I want to lose weight? Do I want more energy? Do I want to feel healthier? Do I want to live longer for my family? Write your reason down. It will help keep you motivated. Step 2. Set a small goal. Don't try to lose 50 pounds at once. Instead, aim for lose 5 pounds, walk 15 to 20 minutes every day, drink more water, eat one healthy meal each day. Small wins lead to big results. Step 3. Drink more water. Many people mistake thirst for hunger. Try to drink a glass of water when you wake up. Drink water before each meal. Carry a water bottle during the day. Limit sugary drinks like soda and juice. Step 4. Eat better, not less. You don't have to starve yourself. Try this simple plate, half the plate. Vegetables, 1/4. Lean protein, chicken, fish, eggs, beans. 1/4. Healthy carbs, rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, whole grains. Step 5. Cut back on junk food. You don't have to stop completely. Just eat less of candy, chips, fast food, fried foods, cakes, sugary drinks. Save treats for special occasions. Step 6. Move your body. Everyday exercise doesn't have to be hard. Try walking, dancing, cycling, swimming home workouts, playing with your kids. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days. Step 7. Build muscle. Muscle helps your body burn more calories. Do simple exercises, squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, light weights. Start 2 to 3 days each week. Step 8. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can make you feel hungrier. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Turn off screens before bed if possible. Step 9. Manage stress. Stress can lead to overeating. Try deep breathing, prayer reading, listening to music, spending time outside talking with a friend. Step 10. Keep track. Write down your weight once a week, your meals, your exercise, how much water you drink. Seeing progress helps you stay motivated. Step 11. Be patient. Healthy weight loss takes time. A safe goal is about 1 to 2 pounds, 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. Don't give up if progress is slow. Consistency matters more than speed. Step 12. Celebrate your progress. Reward yourself when you reach a goal. Examples: buy a new shirt. Watch your favorite movie. Spend time doing something you enjoy. Avoid using junk food as a reward. A simple daily routine morning. Drink a glass of water. Eat a healthy breakfast. Take a 15 to 20-minute walk if you can. Afternoon. Eat a balanced lunch. Drink water. Choose fruit or nuts instead of chips. Evening. Eat a healthy dinner. Take another short walk if possible. Avoid heavy snacks before bed. Night. Relax. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Healthy habits. Checklist. 1. Drink plenty of water. 2. Eat more vegetables. 2. Eat lean protein. 3. Reduce sugary drinks. 4. Walk every day. 5. Exercise 2 to 3 times a week. 6. Sleep well. 7. Manage stress. 8. Track your progress. 9. Stay consistent. Final tip. You don't have to be perfect. If you have a bad day, don't quit. Start again with your next meal or your next walk. Small, healthy choices made every day can lead to lasting results. Note: if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, or take medication, talk with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet or exercise routine.